You're not worried about it breaking?
Shifted at about 7,000.
Okay, and traction control's all off?
ABS is unplugged.
Oh, good, okay. I'm gonna use this water.
My kind of guy.
I'm gonna use this water then to get us fired off here.
Oh, you're pedaling it. Oh, spin second gear, dude.
Dude, honestly,
buying one.
Order more
I might own a Chevy now. I might buy my first
honestly,
Chevy.
I've been having trouble getting to 60 at the end of the driveway. Now I'm gonna be
You won't
locked
anymore.
in.
You won't. It just sounds cool too.
This is bringing me back to high school.
I know.
big time.
How's the torque steer? It's been a long time
I
since I felt torque steer.
I hope it torque steers. But
I really hope.
I hope I let go of the wheel and it just turns all the way to the lock. Like, that's what I'm
Oh, we're
looking
still
for.
going
You
straight.
know what I mean? All right, boys. Brace your necks.
Here we go.
Okay? I'm about to show you something. Oh, the torque steers! It's real! That's awesome. And it's a stock motor? That's freaking
This is crazy.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on, let me show you the second. Let me show you the first gear torque steer that I'm dealing with over here.
I saw you working on it.
Oh! That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for.
Dude, we were almost in a
Dude,
ditch.
you are not front wheel driving unless your stuff torque steers
If
to
you're
full
not
lock.
fighting for your life to stay in a straight
it's
line,
not even cool.
it's not cool.
Watch this, dude. Oh, that's pretty good. When it's not spinning, it's pretty straight.
Oh my gosh, dude, this thing grips.
Yeah! 95.
That was sick. Dude, it pulls so good.
I think mine tops out at 95 right now.
It's 4 people in the company. Dude, that makes this a lot better.
Oh, it's got wide open throttle shifting.
Oh,
Wait,
no
how
way.
did I just find that out? You just stay to
You
the
just
floor.
power shift it.
Oh, missed it. Oh, e-brake needs some work.
E-brake needs a tune-up.
This thing's awesome.